Hey guys, it's Lindsay with Chalk Palette, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to ink on a pillowcase. You're simply going to lay down your transfer. The process is really similar to just chalking, but the ink is permanent. And so because of that, I like to just make sure that I'm going in one direction if I can help it. I try to press lightly with the ink so as I'm moving the silky ink across the chalk transfer, it's not going to seep underneath the chalk transfer design by accident. And so I just like to go light, and I like to move in one direction. So in this case, I'm moving from left to right and making sure I cover every little area with the chalk ink. This stuff is really great and easy to use, and it's nice because it dries within 24 hours, and so you don't have to work as fast. Go ahead and peel your transfer up, and look how perfect that design is. I'm going to embellish it a little bit more by adding some fun bees around our beehive. This is part of the chalk transfer as well. There's just a few different designs you can do this way, and I'm just going to scatter a few of them about just to add a little bit more character and take up a little bit more space on my throw pillow. And I'm going to hair blow dry them just to speed up that drying process so that when I lay down my bees, the ink isn't going to get messed up with my transfer sitting on top of it. I'm going to do all 3 bees without washing my transfer. Make sure that if you do something like this, that you're careful not to get ink on the back side and get ink all over your pillow. Look how perfect that is. So cute. I love it.